All right, so I'm going to step through what you're going to need to do to set up DataBlend inside of Sage Intacct. It's fairly simple, just a handful of steps to get it as a dashboard component. First thing you're going to do is going to click to your main menu and go to Dashboards and click the plus button here. And go ahead and give this new dashboard a title. We're going to call ours DataBlend. And we're going to make this a one column. And go ahead and hit save. Now, the next thing, you're going to go ahead and hit View Components. And then hit the plus button here to add a component. I'm going to give you a pop-up window that'll let us set types. And we're going to go ahead and choose a smart link. I'm going to choose the smart link type of fetch. I'm going to give this a title. At a height, I recommend a large number just to give you the most page real estate of like 900. And then here we're going to go ahead and paste in, https://ml.datablend.com/login. And the login part is key, as that's going to set up a login page that will allow Sage Intacct to reference to DataBlend. Go ahead and hit save. And you'll see that will bring up the login page. Simply now you can go ahead and put in your user credentials. And my system is looking for a multi-factor authentication token, so bear with me 1 second. Go ahead and sign in, and you'll see now I'm in DataBlend. Now, the great thing from this, if I navigate down to my DataBlend group, and now as you can see, once you've set this dashboard up, you can simply navigate to Dashboards, go to DataBlend, and it'll bring you back to that same page. And it will remember your login based on the same criteria you have set for your general logins. All right.